seed and let it grow. Beneath the sun, the winds that blow. For though the path is steep and long, together we are brave and strong. Respected audience and my friends, it's a true honor to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate Earth Day. A day not only of reflection, but of action, of purpose, and above all of hope. When the world changes, let us shift toward compassion, sustainability, and love. We live in a world that's changing fast. The signs of the change are all around us. Rising sea levels, unpredictable weather patterns, wildfires, and rapid loss of biodiversity. These challenges are real and they are daunting. But today, I want to talk about something even more powerful than fear. Hope. Hope is not a passive feeling. Hope is not just sitting back and wishing for the best. Hope is a decision. It's what actions the fuels of millions of people around the earth who are planting trees, cleaning rivers, developing green technologies, and reimagining what it means to live with harmony with our planet. The earth changes, but so can we, into healers, protectors, and dreamers for a greener tomorrow. Look around. Young people are rising up, demanding from climate justice. Scientists and innovators are creating breakthroughs in renewable energy. Communities are coming together to build resilience and sustainability from the ground up. They are not small efforts. They are the spark of transformation. And every one of us holds the power to add that fire of change. Let's not just mark what is being lost. Let's celebrate what is being found. A renewed commitment, a global community, and a shared belief that a better future is still within reach. Yes, the world is changing, but change could be beautiful when it's from growth and from love. Our planet is not just a place we live. Our planet is who we are. And by protecting it, we are protecting the hope which lives in every new sunrise, every new green shot, and every child dreaming for a tomorrow full of blue skies and white bliss. Every small act of care is a seed of hope planted in the soil of the world. So let's hold on to hope. Let's be the reason that hope grows. And let's make every day a